friends, let's make a bird seed goodie bag for party favors or gifts. Grab some paper lunch bags, cardstock, scissors, glue, and optional paper clips. I used white paper lunch bags and some lovely teal cardstock. Cut this to 5.5 inch by 1 inch strips and score it down the center line to make folding easy. You'll need 2 strips per bag. Now prepare your lunch bag. Fold open that bottom flap and then pull it up and out. Take your scissors and snip, snip, snip. Now we have 2 open ends. No pecking till the party. I designed these cute labels and printed them on my LaserJet printer. They measure 4 inches by 5 inches. Grab one of your paper strips, and this will now be glued to the bottom of the bag. I used Aleene's Turbo Tacky Glue. If your hands or wrists get fatigued or feel painful at any point, please take a break or ask somebody for help. When the glue is fully dried, put your hand into the bag to puff it open, and now we're ready to fill it with some goodies. Here I'm adding some kettle corn, some delicious Biscoff cookies, and some organic nuts and seeds. We're at the last step. Grab that second strip and add the glue. This is the hardest part of this craft for me, and my hands definitely need a rest. I'm shaking with effort here, and I'm so glad that we've come to the end because look, this is so cute. Voila! I'm very happy with how these turned out.
Subscribe for more disabled crafts.
I have a handsome helper here with me. Could you please help me by putting glue on these 2 strips? Let's see your technique. It's hard to squeeze the bottle, isn't it?
Which is hurting my elbow.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, 2 hands, right? It's really hard. It's a nice thick layer. You did a really good job for your first one. Now, I'll line it up. And then you're going to put it down on here and then push the top part over so it folds in half and seals it up. Yeah, nice job. So that one's done. And here, do the back first and pull it back, and then fold that up. Yeah, that was good. Okay. You're a little liberal with the glue, but that's all right. It's got to be a little bit smoother. How's the game going?
Don't worry about the game. It's none of your business. They're losing 2-1 in the last inning.
Aww. Thanks for helping me.
Subscribe for more disabled crafts.